wall, shaking bobo. Island girls has got my head from. All fair time we shall. So say my mouth, you want to go now, can't stop. Girl, Paul wall, shaking bobo. Island girls has got my head hot, 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 hot. Girl, have a ball on the bum bum. Yo, make some noise for father for the passing through Dingolay mass. Right, right. Tell me. Easy with the music now. Easy with the music. All right, Eddie, here. All right, nice. Good. So as we get ready to cross the stage, yes? Hold on.
Check this, check this. I don't carry riders on my truck. And I respect my some guys them. I do not own nobody on the truck if you don't belong on the truck. Artist is on the truck. People who is on the truck just for say on their truck, you need to leave my truck right now.
All right. So you all know we get ready to cross the stage, right? So in the meanwhile, we have Vice Man, Redman on the unit, the whole team. They're gonna keep the vibes until we're ready to cross the stage. Vibes Man, you ready, brother?
Eddie!
You ready, brother?
Somebody have a second mic, please bring it to the truck. If somebody have a second mic for this truck, you need to bring it to the truck. Let me do the thing now. I can't understand whatever artists and the artists them sick it. I need my artists them to flow one after the other. You do the shoot quick sharp and let's move it. Who you not? Anybody else who not responsible to be on the truck, you have to come up. Artists only, Redman, Vice Man and Smalley and Links. Run this thing for me, please.
Music for the ladies, though. Good on low. Every girl know, touch your toe. Good on low. Every girl know, touch it. I want you touch it. Every girl touch it. Come on now, touch it. Every girl, oh God, I want you touch it. Every girl touch it. Come on now, touch it. What the girl then? I'm gonna say gunman in you, all she like. Oh God, I'm gonna say gunman in you, all she like. Every girl say gunman in you. Come and say gunman in you. How about your gunman in you all? Oh Lord. Every girl know bend. Every girl bend. Come on now. Oh God, how about your bend? Every girl bend. Come on now, bend. Every girl. Oh God, how about you? How about your bend now? Give me the bend now. the stage, all right? We get ready to go through the gates. Through the gates to cross the stage. So what you want to do now? What you want to do? Everybody at the side. Low. Everybody at the side of the truck. We need you all to go through the gate before the truck. Everybody at the side of the truck with your armband, your wristband. Everybody at the side of the truck with your wristband. We need you all to go forward, to go through the gate before the truck so we can get organized. Everybody with a Dingolay t-shirt and your wristband, or a Dingolay costume and a wristband, we need you guys to go through the gates right now in preparation for crossing the stage. After which, the truck man will follow. Go on, baby, go through the gate. Go on, baby, go on. Ladies, next to the truck, come on. Let's go. Nice. One thing about the ladies here from Trinidad and Tobago, they all know the watchwords. And the first watchword is discipline. So we're going through the gate right now. Everybody go through the gate, please.